This one. This is the place in Christchurch.
I don't know here yet. Next one. This area is called Papanui.
Papanui.
It's the same area I used to live in when I
This
was here
place
last.
is Papanui in Christchurch.
It's a suburb here.
This one. See? It's too nice place. That one. This is a nice. The street is not same in the Philippines. The Philippines is too much crowded. Here is it's too safe to drive. Very smooth. Not same in the Philippines. Too much traffic and crowded street. In Philippines, too much bustling, but here in New Zealand it's not too much bustling. Here.
Where you go? Come on, hurry up.
Come on, hurry up. Say, that's the Emerald. Christchurch pala to. That one. That's my driver. See? So smooth. Here is autumn. The leaves of the tree is falling. First time I've reached in New Zealand. I'm not expecting I can reach here in New Zealand this year, 2025. Thanks God. I'm here in New Zealand. It's a good blessing for me to reach here in New Zealand this 2025. Oh, this is the place, oh. So it's nice, smooth, no traffic. Oh, I stopped the traffic light. Oh, see, I stopped the traffic light. You not hear the horn of some car. Oh? Okay. It's blinking the light. See, I make upload this one to the YouTube or go. See, the side car here, I know the driver's seat here in the right, not same in the Philippines. The driver side is in the left, here is in the right. First time I saw the driver's side is on the right. I start my journey now in New Zealand. See? My hand is annoying. It's moving. Okay. Oh, nice place, right? See? The place is the road is clear. The place is so nice. Cold and little winter now. Winter is coming in New Zealand. See? This is the place. Not same in the Kuwait. The Kuwait it's too much. The houses there is little high, but here in New Zealand, this is the houses here in Christchurch. flat only. In Kuwait, Daddy, the house is there. 2 stories, 3
Oh, yeah.
stories. But
Oh,
here
that's-
in New Zealand is only flat.
Oh no, there's quite a few two-storied houses.
Ah, you have
And there's-
also.
in town there's higher, taller buildings.
Ah, in town too.
Yeah.
Have 2 tall building.
In the centre city there's taller buildings.
Tall building.
You just see the odd house that's two-storied. The house I had in Papanui was two-storied.
Papa
And
Noi.
Redwood was two-storied.
This
Actually-
place is Papa Noi.
Most houses I've had were two-storied.
So, this Papa Noi place is 2.
See, this is the two-storied one here, and these two.
Only that one, the bungalow style.
Yeah.
That's called bungalow.
You see the odd one among the rest.
Bungalow. Oh. So nice, oh. This one. Wow. Christchurch. Give enters. This right side is go to the airport. Left side is go to where? Other that is city center.
No,
City
that's
center.
city centre that way.
Ah, city center that way.
We go out near the airport when we get onto the motorway. We go
Ah,
south.
okay. This road is going to the airport. I back to the airport. Last night I reached in Oamaru. Now I start my journey. So I'm so much happy to here in New Zealand. This is the New Zealand place. We have more moment to do here in New Zealand. I'm thankful I have someone here to tour me here in New Zealand. My someone 1 year anniversary with me. Now that one. Oh, stop again. Huh? Stop light. Go. Ito pala ang ibang bansa. Maganda pala pag ano eh. Autumn place. Ay, autumn time. Autumn time. In Kuwait, wala talaga akong nakitang ganito.
The airport straight. This is the same road the hotel was on.
That
The airport's just past that frame
Yeah.
there.
That one. That road, oh. I experienced it in Kuwait.
See the snow on the hills over there, darling?
Ah, that house. I have another bridge there, Daddy.
That's the motorway going over there.
Ah, to go Omaro.
Yeah,
That
that's
way.
the main north-south motorway.
Ah.
There's the airport hotel over there.
I see. In Kuwait, so it's not this one. Puro ka makakita ka ng sun. Here, no? Puros grass. Grass. So, this is the second country overseas. First in Kuwait, the second is in New Zealand. I don't know what's the third.
What's that?
The country. The second country I reached.
Alright. From
New
Australia.
Zealand. In Australia, I cannot, just only stop over. I stay in the airport. Only stay in the airport. I cannot go around. About
Yeah.
here now, I can go around. But at least, I stop over in Australia. I see the Brisbane in Australia. I see in the Brisbane airport. The same in the Manila airport. Manila airport is crowded. Here in New Zealand, I cannot see all because I reach in New Zealand is nighttime. So I cannot see around the airport because it's dark. Not same in the Brisbane is, I reach in Brisbane is noontime. Morning, noontime. So I can see there are many trees there in Brisbane. Like here in New Zealand also. More trees. In Kuwait, no. Only more houses to see. No trees to see. I compare the two countries I visit. The New Zealand is a nice place. In Kuwait, I reach and I get more money there. In New Zealand, and I cannot get more money here in New Zealand. I make journey in New Zealand for the 6 months.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks for watching my video. Stella. Please subscribe, share if you want my video. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.